Hey, so welcome back to my channel. So during the height of the pandemic, aka 2020, I learned how to give myself a underarm wax and a bikini wax. Now my preferred use is going to be the hard wax because I do not have to use the strips. I don't use powder, some people do, but with this technique, you really just want to make sure that the place that you are waxing is well prepped, and that means that it's sanitized and dry, because if there's moisture, then the wax is not going to stick, and that can mean that it's going to be hard to take off. So what I normally do is once I lay it down, I lift a little bit at the end and then give it about 20 to 30 seconds to a minute and rip it off in one swoop. But sometimes you do want to make sure that there's some tension. That's why I grab the top part of my underarm, and then you're going to see that I'm going to rip this sucker off. Now, if I have any wax left over, I'll use this clean and easy wax remover, but really any oil-based cleanser or just like mineral oil, baby oil would help remove any excess wax that's on your skin. So when I wax my underarms or bikini line, what I do is I put the wax stick in, give it a few swirls, and then to cool off the wax, you want to let it fall down because you don't want to put too much on the stick. And then you turn it, and that's how you cool it off, because you don't want to put hot wax on your body because that's how you burn yourself. We don't want to do that. And in this arm, I started in the wrong position. I should have started lower, which is going to give me a problem removing it. And in this case, I just ripped it off gradually.